Hi, this is Shankar. I am going to teach mathematics. This video is useful for 9th class and 10th class students. Today my topic is trigonometric, but small concept here. One concept name is theorem for any acute angle theta. Prove that sin²θ plus cos²θ is equal to 1. Here, this relation is called as a square relation. Here let us consider I am taking triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Here AC is, this side is called as a hypotenuse, AB this side is called as a adjacent, and BC this side is called as a opposite side. Here given triangle I am going to write this method. Triangle ABC is a right angle at B. Here angle A is equal to theta. Theta indicate means it is angle. Here we know already Pythagoras theorem. What is the meaning of Pythagoras theorem? Means hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here this is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square means this AC square is equal to other sides squares, means AB square plus BC square. Here hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This statement is called as a Pythagoras theorem. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse means here AC square. Here side square means AB square. Other side square is equal to BC square. Here I am considering equation 1. Already I am taking sin²θ is there and cos²θ is there. First of all I am going to find out here sin²θ. Using this triangle ABC triangle, sin² is equal to theta opposite by hypotenuse is called as a sine. Again cos² is equal to adjacent side, this side by this side is equal to cos². Here sin² is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is the meaning of opposite? Means theta opposite means BC. Here BC. What is the hypotenuse? Means AC. I am writing. Here sin² we know already. I am applying square. sin²θ is equal to BC square by AC square. I am applying square numerator and denominator. Same cos² is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent by hypotenuse. Here what is the adjacent side? AB is the adjacent side, AC is the hypotenuse. Here AB by AC. Cos square I am going to apply square. Cos means here cos square I am going to apply the square AB square by AC square. Here I am going to apply LHS. LHS means here left hand side. Here what will happen? sin²θ plus cos²θ is equal to 1. Here I am taking left side only. Left side means this value is called as a left side. This side is called as a right side. Here sin²θ means how much? BC square by AC square plus, this symbol is plus. Here cos square is equal to how much? AB square by, what is this? AC square. Here I am taking LCM means both AC square. Directly I am same. LCM is AC square. Same denominator means directly I am writing AC square. Here BC square plus BC square. The denominator is same, directly add the numerator values here. Means BC square plus AB square is equal to, here AC square is the denominator, numerator BC square plus AB square. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here this is the reverse. BC square plus AB square also AC square only. Here BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Here AC square. Numerator and denominator is same value. AC square 1 AC square 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, here Therefore, the final statement sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the relation of square relation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. Thank you.